Hey, I hope you're having an amazing day today. Thank you for tuning in. And I see I have 9 new subscribers, so thank all 9 of you. And of course, to my OGs, thank you guys so much. We're going to get started here. You'll need scissors, and then you're going to need some of these fall maple leaf. These are Crafter Square brand. I'm using 4. You need your Dollar Tree mounting tape. And then you're going to need some of these flat back rhinestones. Now I got these from a large pack from Michael's, but you can find these in the dollar store too. They might not be as big, but just wherever you can pick them up at. You can even use those sticky back adhesive ones that they have at Dollar Tree also. Now I'm going to be using wallpaper to apply to my maple leaves. This is just one sheet of the Dollar Tree wallpaper. I really like the design. If you did watch my tablescape, my blue and white tablescape, I also use this as a runner. So to get started here, I'm just placing one of the maple leaves onto the wallpaper, and I'm just going to use this highlighter here to trace it. I used a highlighter just because I thought it would be bright against the wallpaper detail. It has a lot of swirls and things going on, so I thought the color would contrast and really pop so I can see it. I do wear glasses, so I needed to be able to trace this and see it so I can cut it out. So go ahead and hold your maple leaf firmly in the middle and trace around the edges. Now, even though I used a highlighter, it still is a little hard to see. I went ahead and cut the wallpaper in half just because I'll only need 4. It's a little easier to work with in cutting those when you cut it in half. And I'm just cutting out my outline here. Alright, and I just flip the wallpaper over and trace it on the white side. It's a lot easier to see that way. So go ahead and outline however many napkin rings you want. I'm going to do 3 more here, and then I'll cut all 3 of those out as well. So once you've cut those out, you'll need to just peel back the adhesive backing. I did find it easier when I started to peel it halfway, apply that to the bottom, and then pull the rest of the sheet off of the leaf. Now you're just going to smooth out any wrinkles, making sure that everything is stuck down and that everything adheres correctly. You need to take something with a flat surface. I used scissors here. I didn't have one of the like vinyl scrapers. That would be ideal to use here. Now what I'm doing here is I'm just taking that little bit of edge and I'm pressing it down over the sides of the maple leaf. This will give it a nice smooth appearance instead of everything just sticking out. So just firmly push together and push in a downward motion so that you can make sure that the wallpaper adheres to the sides. And I'm just going to speed this up here and do the same thing to all three of the remaining napkin rings. Leaves, I'm sorry. Now I grabbed my mounting tape. I just wanted to measure the rhinestone and make sure that it would cover the mounting tape so that wouldn't be exposed behind it. Of course, they were smaller than the width of the mounting tape, so I had to cut my mounting tape in half. If you have larger rhinestones, you may not have to do this step. Of course, if you have smaller ones, just cut it down to size. Just make sure that you don't cut it too thin, because then you'll risk your napkin rings breaking. You want to make sure that they can hold the napkin and keep that sturdy. So I cut it in half and I'm just measuring it here. This was about a 4 to 4.5 inch strip. Now this is double-sided, so on the sticky side that I pulled up, you'll see me pressing in 6 of the rhinestones. And I just did those very close together, side by side. I just placed 6 in a row, leaving just a little excess on each end so that I'm able to stick the ends down to the maple leaf when I'm done. I didn't get that one close enough, so I just peeled it back. Make sure when you place these that you're not pressing down too tight, just in case you have to lift and reapply. Then once you're done, go ahead and press firmly. You'll curve this into a ring or a half semicircle. It's very pliable, so that's easy to do. Here's another shot of me just putting those rhinestones down. And I'm sorry, my hands are in the way, so it's a little hard to see. But you'll see in a little bit how it should look after you've applied the rhinestones. I'll insert a still shot in here. If you guys are enjoying this so far, please remember to subscribe, comment below, let me know if you'll be making these. or if you've already tried these. I do have more DIYs to come, so make sure that you click on that bell twice. That way you'll know when I'm uploading new videos. So when you're done, they should look like this, 6 in a row, side by side, closely together. Do not remove the sticky back on the edge because your napkin will be in the middle. You don't want that to stick. So only remove that one side of the sticky back to adhere your rhinestones. Now we're gonna start painting. So I used a sponge brush, it worked well for me. This is just some dollar store, Dollar Tree acrylic paint in blue. I went ahead and applied that, and I'm just gonna paint all 4 of these leaves. So sit back, listen to the music, and enjoy. I'll come back here when we're done painting. Okay, so you'll want to take those 2 sticky edges that were exposed, and then you'll press them down onto the maple leaf. Of course, you'll need to let your paint dry, so give this some drying time, and then apply the backing. Once you're done, they should look like this. And I've applied the back to all 4 rings. Now I'm just going to take these cuticle scissors and cut the excess wallpaper that you see there. It was really hard to do this with regular scissors. It wouldn't get close enough, so I felt these were the best type of scissor to use. If you have other scissors that really get close, let me know. I was also going to probably use my Exo knife or Expo knife or X-Acto knife. There we go. Tongue tied there, sorry about that. But I have it packed down somewhere, so I just reached for these. They worked out okay. You just need something that can get close to the edges and take the majority of the edge off. And there you have it. Go ahead and insert your napkin. I'm using paper napkins. And that's the back. It should look like that. And there's the front. Really cute and very easy. I hope you all are staying safe out there. Thank you so much again for watching. Let me know if you made these down in the comments or if you would do anything differently. You've seen it here first on Lena is Fly. Now if you recreate these, go ahead and give me a shout out or even email me. Thank you again for watching, everyone. Stay safe. Bye-bye.